So this is the fabric I'll be using. You can use a soft crepe, or this is like a satin like fabric, like a vintage fabric. So, and it will drape very well. So here I'll be marking 35 on fold. So this is what you have on fold. Then I'll pin down because of the fabric texture. Then you go ahead to get the length of the skirt. So this skirt does not have a joining by the side. The only joining in the skirt is at the front of the skirt. The only joining of the skirt is at the front. So here we are going to get the back length. For the back length of this skirt, I'll be using 47. I'll be using 47 inches for the back length here. So I'll mark my 47. And for the front, I'll use 44 inches long. Whew. Pardon me, I'm not cutting on the table. My table is small. So, and the cloth is very silky. So for the front, I'll be using 44. The back is 47 inches. The front is 44. Then you connect it together like so. After that, you take your waist measurement. Your waist measurement divided by 2. Don't forget you have this fabric on fold in 2 places, not on 4 folds. I mean, we have it on fold in 2, not on 4 folds. So you'll be dividing your waist measurement by 2. So my waist measurement is 32. Divided by 2 is 16. Then you had extra 3 inches for the waist measurement. So 16. Then this is your 3 inches, the extra 3 inches. Then the next thing is you get your hip line measurement. My hip line measurement is 8, but because this skirt is a draped skirt, you make it 10. You add additional 2 inches to your hip line. Don't forget that hip line varies. For a taller person, your hip line might be more than 8, and for a very short person, it might not be 8 up to 8. So make sure you get that accurately. Then the next thing you want to input is your hip measurement divided by 2 plus 3 inches. Don't forget for the waist measurement, we did waist measurement divided by 2 plus 3 inches. So for this bar hip 2, you had your hip measurement divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 3 inches. So this is what you have for the hip line measurement. So your waist measurement divided by 2 plus 3 inches, your hip divided by 2 plus 3 inches. Then you connect together. So from here, from the hip line, you connect directly to the length. Don't forget for the length, I said we are using, for the width of for the wideness of the skirt, we are using 35 inches already. So we are using 35 inches for the wideness of the length. So you connect it together using your ruler or your free hand, as the case may be. Let me just use my hand. So you connect from this side to your hip line like so. So this is what you have. It is connected to your hip line like so. This down part, the width is 35. Here, hip divided by 2 plus 3 inches, your waist divided by 2 plus 3 inches, and the front length is 44, while the back length is 47. If you're a tall person, just add more to your length. My skirt length is 40, so I added extra 7 inches to the length. So the next thing I want to do is to cut out. It's just to cut out. Our skirt is almost ready. So this is our skirt, and you notch. So the next thing you want to do is to cut out your waistband. So the waistband will be your exact waist measurement plus 1 inch. Now you can determine how wide or tiny you want your waistband to be. So for me, this is 2.5. By the time I join, I'll fold over again. Then like I said, my waist is 32 plus 1 inch, that's 33 inches. So the next thing I will go ahead to do is to fix, you notch the center of your band. So you not get the center point of your skirt and also the center point of your band, and you pin together. I want to fold this on the right side, so remember we added 3 inches excess to the waist measurement, so all you need to do is to pin your band to the edge of the fabric like so. Gather this excess to the waistband. So I'll go ahead to join this and also to sew the down part of the skirt, then show you the next. I'm done adding the band to the waist area. So this is the waist area, the extra pleats, and I already did the hem of the down part of the skirt. So the next thing we want to do now is to pleat the drape. So you are going to pleat it to your desired length. How you want the slits, how long you want the slits to be. If you want the slit to be 20, 18, 16, depending on how open you want the front slit to be. So you pin it down and make sure your pleat is facing upward while pleating, and you hold down with your pin. This is what you have after pleating it. I've done the front and the back pleat. So I have 18 inches as my length, and the next thing I will do is to sew this together. I'll sew on the pleats on both sides before joining it together. So I am done sewing the pleats like so. So the next thing I want to do is to join together using 1 inch, and also before joining together I'm going to go ahead to measure my zipper length. Remember, the zip will be at the front part, so I'll be using the long the skirt zipper, the invisible head skirt zipper for the skirts, for this skirt in particular, and that's about 12 inches long, but I'll make it 11. So I'll go ahead to pin on, let me make it 10. I think 10 is fine, so I'll just pin on 10, and our skirt is ready. So you can decide to pair your skirt with, don't forget to sew on 1 inch. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with someone who might need it. Drop a comment in the section. The comment you are dropping in the comment section is to help the video go far, and your like also means a lot. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and yeah, that is it. So you go ahead, I've joined it together, take it to your serging machine and serge, that is weave the inside for more neatness. This is what it looks like, and I'll go ahead to add. So after joining together, you can see, and like I said, your front length depends on how long you want the slits, the front slit to be. So this is 18. I'll go ahead and add my zipper to it, and our skirt is ready. So guys, this is what the skirt looks like after making. If you want yours fuller than this, you can make the width bigger, like more than 35 unfold. Like you can make it as wide as you want. You can use a whole 2 yards, but yeah, can you see? So this is where the slit starts from. This is the length here is the 18 inches, as you can see, and it is decently open. Can be worn to church like this because it is well covered, and you can see the drape on the side. So here is what it looks like. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying out this tutorial, and don't forget to share in the comments if you find it helpful, and give us a subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Like this video and share to a friend. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.